Howdy Buckaroos, Ellen here. Welcome back to my southern kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all y'all another great recipe inspired by the rodeo. Nothing says the rodeo or carnival like funnel cakes. So today I'm going to share with all y'all some amazing mouth-watering funnel cakes. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. We're going to fry it to golden perfection. We're going to top it with lots and lots of powdered sugar. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my fried deviled eggs recipe and my previous video, cherry 7-up pound cake. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your batter, your funnel, and heat up some oil, sugar, because we're about to fry some funnel cake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Yeehaw! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up our dry ingredients. In my bowl and sifter, I have 2 cups of bread flour. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon each of ground cinnamon and salt. Going to sift these together. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my measuring cup, I have 1.5 cups of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 2 extra large eggs at room temperature. Give it a quick whisk until everything is well incorporated. Alright, my friends, our wet ingredients is complete. Now we're ready to pour it into the dry ingredients. Give it a quick whisk. Gonna mix all these ingredients together until they're well combined. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up my funnel cake batter. This is what it looks like. Nice and thick. I can smell the cinnamon. Smells wonderful. That looks great. Alright, so now I'm about to heat up some oil. Alright, my friends, I got my oil nice and hot to about 375 degrees. So we're going to use a large funnel. And we're going to take about 1 cup of the batter. Then we're going to gently pour the batter into the funnel. We're just going to swirl it around. Like so. So we're going to let it fry on both sides until it's golden brown. Alright, my friends, I've taken my funnel cake out of the oil. See how nice and golden brown that is? And I put it on my pan lined with paper towels to drain the grease. So now, while they're still hot, I'm going to dust them with powdered sugar. Just like that. Alright, so I'm going to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Funnel cake. Doesn't that look good? Look at all that powdered sugar. You can also add some chocolate or strawberries, apples, whatever your heart desires. I'm just going to keep mine like it is. And it smells amazing. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Crispy and tender, perfectly cooked. And I can taste the cinnamon. Ain't nothing like homemade funnel cake. This screams rodeo and carnival. This is spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Funnel cake licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy rodeo. Yeehaw!